Today, we're diving into one of the most fundamental yet powerful rules in all of visual arts, the rule of thirds. If you've ever wondered why some photos or videos just look more professional, more balanced, and more engaging than others, the answer often lies in this simple principle. And trust me, once you see it, you won't be able to unsee it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to instantly level up your own creations. So, what exactly is the rule of thirds? Imagine drawing two horizontal lines and two vertical lines across your frame, like a tic-tac-toe board. This grid divides your screen into 9 equal rectangles. The rule suggests that you should place the most important elements of your scene along these lines, or even better, at the points where these lines intersect. These 4 intersection points are your power points. They are natural focal points for the human eye. Why does this work so well? It's all about creating visual interest and balance. When you place your main subject smack dab in the center of the frame, the image can feel static, a bit boring, and almost confrontational. It doesn't give the viewer's eye anywhere to wander. But by moving your subject off-center to one of those intersection points, you create a more dynamic and natural-looking composition. It adds a sense of movement and guides the viewer's eye through the entire scene, not just to the middle. Let's look at a practical example with a portrait. Instead of placing your friend's face right in the center, try framing them so their eyes fall on one of the top intersection points. See the difference? Suddenly the photo feels more professional and engaging. You've also created what's called negative space in the other 2/3 of the frame, which gives the subject room to breathe and can add to the story you're telling. If your subject is looking to the right, place them on the left vertical line. This gives them looking room and creates a sense of anticipation. The same principle applies beautifully to landscapes. Instead of splitting the horizon line right down the middle of your shot, which can cut the image in half, place it along either the top or bottom horizontal line. If the sky is the most dramatic part of your scene, maybe with stunning clouds or a sunset, place the horizon on the bottom line to give the sky 2/3 of the frame. If the foreground is more interesting, perhaps with beautiful flowers or a winding path, place the horizon on the top line to emphasize the ground. This simple adjustment immediately makes your landscape video feel more expansive and intentional. Now you might be thinking, how do I actually do this? The great news is that almost every modern camera and smartphone has a built-in grid overlay feature. Go into your camera settings and turn on the grid or rule of thirds guide. This will display the lines directly on your screen, making it super easy to compose your shots perfectly every time. It takes the guesswork out of the equation and helps you train your eye to see compositions in this way. Of course, like any rule in art, the rule of thirds is made to be broken. Sometimes a perfectly centered, symmetrical shot is exactly what you need to create a sense of stability, power, or directness. But you have to know the rule before you can effectively break it. Understanding the rule of thirds gives you a powerful tool in your creative toolkit. It's a guideline, not a law, but it's a guideline that works wonders 90% of the time. So the next time you pull out your camera, turn on that grid and give it a try. Place your subjects on the lines, align your horizons, and watch how your photos and videos are instantly transformed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tip helps you capture some amazing footage. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Happy shooting!